The purpose of this video is just to give you two types of question where mixed fractions are either good or where they're a disaster. Where they're a disaster is for multiplication. That is not going to go well. But where they're great is when it's addition. So for example, 3 and 5 ninths plus 2 and 4 ninths is dead easy. It's 3 plus 2, which is 5. 5 ninths plus 4 ninths is 9 ninths, which is 1. So it's 5 plus 1, which is 6. Okay. Now, in order to do your questions on this sort of thing, you're going to need to know how to convert between them. Okay. So, how do you convert between mixed fractions and improper fractions? You do this times this plus this. This times this plus this. And then you just transfer the denominator across. Oops. And now you just do the fractions wrap. So top times top, bottom times bottom. Okay, so that's, I think, 10 times 19 is 100. So I think that's 209. Okay, so I'll give you an example of that. 2 2/3 times 5 and 3/4. That times that plus that is 8. That times that plus that is 23. Transfer the 3 across, transfer the 4 across. Now do the fractions wrap. 3 times 4 is 12. 8 times 23 times by 8 is dead easy. You just double 3 times. 46, 92, 184. Okay, so that's when mixed fractions are a disaster. However, mixed fractions could be good for addition. So here's an example. 11 over 5 plus 4 over 5. How do you convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction? Go this divided by this. How much room in 11 is there for 5s? 2. But there's a remainder. The remainder is 1. Just put the remainder over the existing denominator. So 2 and 4/5 plus 4/5 is 3. Because 1/5 plus 4/5 is a whole. So you've got 2 wholes plus 1 whole, which is 3. Just give you another example. I don't know, 12 over 10 plus 9 over 5. So that's how much room in there is how much room is there in a 12 for a 10? It's 1 with a remainder of 2. This is 1 and 4/5 because there's room for 1, 5 and a 9 with a remainder of 4. You can simplify this down. So 1 plus 1 is 2 wholes. 1/5 plus 4/5 is 1 whole. So the answer is 3.